Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my go-to holiday look. So it is the look I'm wearing right now. I just created this in the video you're about to see. If this is the first time you've ever seen my face before, welcome to my channel. I post new videos every Wednesday and Sunday, and sometimes there's extra ones throughout the week, but those are my main days. Make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and let's just get on with this tutorial. Okay, so as you can tell, my face is very red. I don't know why. This has been happening quite often. We're just going to ignore the lawnmower in the back. But first things first is I'm going to start moisturizing my face, try to get some of this redness out with moisturizer. Like my face, it looks so puffy right here and I don't know why. So the first thing I'm going to use is... Actually, I'm just going to spray my face with, this is the ColourPop Rose Quartz Crystal Priming Spray. So I'm going to spray this all over my face. Gets my shirt wet, I love it. The next thing I'm going to be using is Pure Team. It's just a moisturizer. And I'm almost finished it, so that's why I'm going to use it. Okay, and now that that is all put on, I'm going to let it soak in, and we're going to go straight to brows. That is the first thing I do, and so let's go. I'm using the Anastasia Dip Brow in Chocolate, and then I'm using the e.l.f. Eyebrow Duo brush, because it has a spool on this side and a brush on this side. Okay, so now that my eyebrows are filled in, I'm going to go and cut them, and I'm using the Hey Honey Trick and Treat Active Propolis Cream Concealer. I'm almost finished this as well, so I'm slowly finishing some items, which is really good. So I just put a little bit on my hand, and then I just use this flat, I think it's like a flat shader brush, that's just what I use to carve out my brows, so we're going to do that. I also put this all over my lid to set and prepare for my eyeshadow. I'm going to just use a beauty blender to kind of blend it all out. Okay, and so now that my eyelids are set and my brows are carved out and all that, I'm going to be moving on to eyeshadow, and the palette that I'm going to be using is the Modern Renaissance by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this look is very, very basic. It's kind of my favorite look right now, to be honest. That's why this is like my go-to holiday look. So we're just going to go in, and we're going to start with the shade Beyond Fresco, which is this one right here. You can see it's kind of like a purpley color, and that's what's going to be my transition color, and that's going to go all over my crease. And I'm just using the brush that comes in the palette, so I was using the fluffy end to blend that into my crease. I'm going to zoom in just a tiny bit, just so you can see a little bit better. I'm going to use the other side, and I mix these two, so Venetian Red and Red Ochre. I mix these two together, and these go in my outer corner and like outer V. then I'm going to take the fluffy one and blend it out a little bit. Just like that. And then the last thing with the eyeshadow is I just take this small little brush here and I take the shade Vermeer, which is this sparkly one right here, and I put this all on like the rest of my lid, and I also put this on my brow bone like a highlight. I take this brush and I kind of blend the two colors together so there's not a harsh line. And that is all for the eyeshadow. Next I will do some eyeliner. So I will just take the Kat Von D tattoo liner and I'm just going to do a small line lining my top lash line. Just like that. So we are now going to move on to the base. I need to prime. So for primer, I'm going to be using the Yensa Color and Face Tone Up Primer. This is just from an Ipsy bag. I'm just going to apply this all over my face. This kind of is like a pore blur primer. Not sure if you can see, but it is like kind of a nude like skin color almost, and so it kind of just like blocks out pores, and like you can see that it also like will get rid of some redness because it is kind of like has concealer to it. Face is now primed, and now I just go into foundation, and I'm going to be using the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Mont Blanc. And actually before I do that, I'm going to switch my camera battery because it is dead. Okay, so I apologize if the angle is different or lighting is different or anything. I had to change my battery, you know what I meant. But now we're going into the base. So I just put 2 pumps on my hand, and I take, this is Crown, I don't know what brush, it's just like a foundation brush, so that is what I'm going to be using. And then after I use the brush, I go in with my beauty blender and kind of just get away the brush strokes. Okay, and then for concealer, I'm using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Light 14. Okay, and then to bake my face, I use the Mary Kay Translucent Loose Powder. And I just use a little mini beauty blender to pack that on. I put it under my eyes. And I also put it where I put concealer on my nose, just so it doesn't crack and crease. And then for the rest of my face, I use the Sephora Matte Perfection Powder in O2 Porcelain. And then while I'm waiting for my bake to kind of set, I go into my bronzer, and I'm using the Balm Cosmetics Oliver Bronzer. And I'm just using this big fluffy brush. Okay, and now I'm just going to wipe away my bake. And then for blush, I'm going to use the Pixie by Petra in Beach Rose, their blush. I just used a little angle blush brush, and I just do light strokes.
Woo!
And then going back to my eyes, I'm just going to add mascara. And I'm going to be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And then bottom lashes, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Great Lash. And then for highlight, I'm going to be using the Ciate London Moon Dust highlighter. And I'm just going to be using this brush. And then, last but not least, to set it all, this is the Maybelline Master Fix Face Studio Setting Spray, and I just use this. Just gotta wait for my mascara to dry a little bit so I don't mess it up. And then I will do a close-up of the finished look. Beautiful. Again, gets wet. So let's just zoom on in. So you can see the highlight is such a beautiful highlight. And then the eyes, very easy. I don't wear lashes because this is what I wear to work, and I could not last 12 hours with lashes. So I don't really wear lashes. Lips, sometimes I'll do a lip. I'm really close. Sometimes I'll do a lip, and I'll actually show you the one that I've been wearing a lot lately. I've been wearing, this is the ColourPop Glossy Lip in my Jam. So I would wear this, but I'm not going to put it on now because I'm going to eat after I'm done filming, and then I'll have to brush my teeth, and then I'll put it on and go to work. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and comment down some holiday videos that you want to see this year. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.